Hey guys, Tots Toy Collector here to show you the Funko Pop Disney Frozen Anna. And we got the Funko Pop Disney Frozen Elsa. And we also have two surprise frozen eggs that we're opening today. So let's get started. Alright, here we go. We got Elsa Funko Pop. There's the top of the box, side of the box. These are collectible vinyl figures. You've probably seen them around. They've been around a couple months now. Let's go and open it up. Well, there you go. So, as you can see, there's not a lot of detail in the Funko Pop series. They have a very caricature look to them, as you can tell, if you notice that. She has a purpley pink eyeliner, eyelashes, little sparkles in her hair, as you can see. Well, little stars almost, down to the bottom. She has a see-through clear dress on the back. These are collectible items, although there is some paint flaws in them a little bit. I don't think they're as detailed as the Disney Vinylmation. She has a nice clear blue plastic snowflake on her hand, rosy cheeks. Pretty nice little figurine. They're more for kind of decoration. I guess you can kind of play with them. There's no moving parts. They're more for sitting on a shelf or maybe adding to your collection of collectibles. All around a pretty nice toy. That's Disney Funko Pop Elsa. Let's go ahead and open up our first frozen surprise egg. This one has Olaf on the front. It's always hard to not eat all this chocolate right away while you're opening it. The chocolate is actually not too bad at all. Let's see who we got inside. Oh, look at that. It's Kristoff. Hello, I'm Kristoff. Pretty cute little figurine. It's got some big boots. And there's the flyer. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Disney Frozen Funko Pop Anna doll. Same box as Elsa, except it's labeled Anna, and she's number 81 out of the collection of Funko Pop. Let's open it up here. At least the packaging is pretty easy on these guys. No taking apart a lot of elastics like you're used to on other dolls. Let's set this back here. Alright, here we go. As you can see, she has a lot of freckles on her face. She doesn't have any of the pink eyeliner that you saw on Elsa, but she does have her frozen streak in her hair. Her purple cape. Double braided hair. Pretty good detail, but again, you can see paint flaws here and there, which, you know, it kind of shows that they're rushing the process. You can see blue up here under the chin. They're not bad dolls. They're fun. They're more from a distance. When you look up close, you can kind of see some irregularities. But other than that, it's a pretty fun little doll. Again, no moving parts at all. They're more for decoration, kind of sitting on your shelf with a collection of the rest of the Frozen characters. There's Olaf, Sven, Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff in the complete collection. Sit her just over here. Let's go ahead and open up our last Frozen surprise egg. This one has Elsa on it. Can hear something in there. Here comes some of that yummy chocolate again. Let's see what we got. Let's see who we got in here. And it's a little troll. You know, we've opened up a lot of these Frozen eggs, and they seem to be the most popular character, these troll dolls. We have quite a little collection, probably 7 or 8 of these little guys now. They're pretty cute. Well, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video from Tot's Toy Collector. Have a great day!